Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to schedule email in your Microsoft Outlook. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be want to send an email schedule and you want to send through Outlook or Outlook web. In this video I'm going to share with you by step how you can do that. First of all, I will going to share with you how you can send email through Outlook apps. So I'm going to open my Outlook apps and now I'm going to send a new email. Normally whenever we want to send email, just we open Outlook and click send new email. From here I want to type the person whom I want to send, so I'm just choose that person name, email address, and then here I'm going to type the subject. For example, let me make here hi, this is Rahim, and then I'm going to paste the same thing in description. Now here, if you want to send this email, let's send email automatically tomorrow morning or after tomorrow or any other particular time. For that, in this Outlook, in this screen, right side upper, you're going to see something say send letter. Here you're going to see the drop down menu. Simply click over there and then you're going to see there's a bunch of options available. You can choose here in 4 hours, tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, in 2 day, in 4 day, blah blah blah. Also, if you can make here choose a custom date, you can simply choose a custom date by clicking this calendar icon and you're going to see all the calendar available. You can easily choose any of them. So let me make here tomorrow and then let me make here confirm. Now in this message will be sent tomorrow. After you made that, it will the screen going to be closed and it's going to be appear in your under its inbox. We're going to see in the draft, you're going to see that email will be appear in your draft section, and you can again pre-change this email. If you decide to delete this schedule email, just simply open that email. You can just click here delete and that's going to be deleted from your Outlook mail. So this is the way how you can send email schedule from your Outlook apps. Now I'm going to share with you how you can send email through web. You might be opening your Outlook in your web. So now how you can send schedule email from your web. For that, you need to click this new message. Normally you do, so we're going to click over there, and now here it's saying to choose the person whom you want to send email. For example, I'm going to type the person name, and then here I'm going to type the person email address, and then here it's saying to add a subject. So I'm going to give the subject and then I'm going to give the description. Normally if we want to send the email through web Outlook, we just normally click here send button and the email is going. If you decide to send this email in schedule, you need to click this drop down menu and the send. Just simply click over there and then you're going to find here something say send letter. So when you click send letter, a screen going to be appear just like a calendar. You can easily choose the date or particular time you want. For example, I want to send it September 2 in 9 a.m. and let me make here send. So this email will be automatically send in September 2. If you decide to view that email, you need to click here in this draft folder and then you're going to see the email is appear here. If you decide to cancel this schedule email, you can just simply click here cancel schedule, or if you also you're going to see a red color message. This message is scheduled to send on Tuesday, etc. All the details when it's going to be sent. If you decide to send this email right now, you can just click here this cancel send icon and that's going to give you this screen. If you decide to send this email now, just simply click here send. So within this way you can easily send your Outlook email with schedule in your Microsoft Outlook apps or in web. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.